Hello guys, welcome back to Korea the channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about can BCG vaccine protect from COVID-19 or not. The main objective of making this video is to tell you about the protective role of BCG in COVID-19 and how it works against COVID-19 and what type of research going on BCG. Can BCG vaccine protect against COVID-19? Almost 100-year-old, the Bacillus calmette-guerin vaccine protects against some of the deadliest form of tuberculosis, a bacterial infection that was responsible for 1.5 million deaths globally in 2018 alone. The BCG vaccine was first given to humans in early 1920s, but its use didn't become widespread for decades. Following continued research into its safety and effectiveness in 40s and 50s, even then the level of protection the vaccine provides against TB continued to be hotly debated. The vaccine is still saving lives. Research indicates it is around 70 to 80% effective in protecting against the most severe form of TB, such as tuberculosis, meningitis in children. Today, one dose of the vaccine is given to newborn babies in living the countries with a high rate of tuberculosis such as India and Ethiopia, or to those likely to expose to the pathogen including medical workers. The WHO suggesting that the Bacillus calmette-guerin vaccine may be effective in prevention of highly contagious coronavirus infection. It has been observed that countries those having less that rate or fast recovery rate has one thing common in their system, that BCG vaccine in their national immunization schedule. It is also observed that due to COVID-19 is 5 times less in countries those having BCG vaccine in national immunization schedule, but WHO does not recommend the use of BCG vaccine in protection from COVID-19 because lab studies is still going on. This is the diagrammatic representation how BCG vaccine can protect. This is the hypothetical diagram. So first this is the immune memory and this is the trained immunity. This is a traditional vaccine which activate adaptive cell, which then T cell will help in killing the infected cell with the virus. And this is the antibodies from B cell which block the further infection, and these antibodies will be saved in memory cell. When in future the same pathogen if trying to attack the human, these same antibodies will form and protect the host from the disease. This is the BCG vaccine which pre-activate innate cells. Innate cells are like monocyte are the type of WBC which release the interleukin beta. Interleukin beta will help in neutralizing or killing the virus. Hypothesis about its working. How BCG vaccine work this against the COVID-19. An array of evidence has emerged to suggest that the BCG vaccine may also offer beneficial off-target effects, providing some protection against not just some form of TB but other disease as well. This is because it appeared to help boost the immune system. It was observed that yellow fever viremia load is less in newborn those who had BCG vaccine 1 month before of yellow fever vaccine. How BCG vaccine work? BCG vaccine prepare monocytes, a type of white blood cells for like bacterial or viral infections. Monocyte release interleukin beta which neutralize or kill the virus. In one study, it was observed that interleukin beta reduced viral load but immunity was not effective or reduced after the virus got killed. This is how BCG vaccine work. When we inoculate vaccine, when we inject vaccine, the BCG vaccine will what it do, it will prepare मोनोसाइट. मोनोसाइट क्या है? एक टाइप की वाइट ब्लड सेल है. जो ये मोनोसाइट है ये इंटरल्यूकिन बीटा रिलीज करते हैं. जो इंटरल्यूकिन बीटा है ये क्या करेगा, जो भी वायरस होगा उसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर देगा. जो ये इंटरल्यूकिन बीटा है ये ट्यूबरक्लोसिस के अगेंस्ट भी वर्क करता है और सम अदर वायरसेस के अगेंस्ट भी वर्क करता है, लाइक येलो फीवर वायरस, like coronavirus, etc. This research going on BCG. These are the list of research. First is a number of research team are taking a closer look at whether receiving a dose of BCG vaccine may prevent or help to fight off COVID-19 infection and reduce the number of COVID-19 related deaths. A team in Netherlands have made a headway in recruiting 1,000 healthcare workers in 8 Dutch hospitals to see if it has an effect on amount of sick leave taken. Nurses, doctors, and other key hospital staff will either get the vaccine or dummy drug that is known as placebo. Comparing the number of sick days between groups is a good way of judging if the BCG vaccine could reduce the severity of COVID-19 side effect and provide some protection against the disease. Researchers in Australia have also launched a very similar trial and hoping to study more than 4,000 healthcare workers, tracking their progress with email survey and text messages. A new experimental type of BCG vaccine called VPM-1002 is another interesting candidate. A study in Germany is testing whether it can protect the healthcare worker and older patient from COVID-19. Following research on mice, which showed it can protect against other viral lung infection, mice infected with influenza were also found to have lower level of influenza viruses in their blood if they were given the BCG vaccine beforehand, hinting the vaccine may be helping the immune system mop up the virus. It is saying that if we inject VPM-1002, it is a genetically modified vaccine against tuberculosis. It will protect the mice from influenza virus by lowering the load of influenza virus. VPM-1002 is genetically modified vaccine in which one gene, which is urease C, was inactivated and another gene, the Listeria luzon gene, was inserted. This modification basically result in enhanced immune activation as compared to the normal BCG, the previous or former BCG vaccine. Now I will tell you about VPM-1002. VPM-1002 is a recombinant BCG, और इसको बोलेंगे हम RBCG. R stands for recombinant, in which urease C gene has been replaced by the Listeria lysine O LLO encoding gene from Listeria monocytogenes. Listeria monocytogen is a bacteria. Urease C derives neutralization of phagosome containing mycobacterium by generation of ammonia, thereby inhibiting phagolysosomal maturation and contributing to the survival of the mycobacterium inside the macrophage. Its depletion allows for rapid phagosome acidification, which promotes phagolysosome fusion and provide optimal pH for Listeria lysine O stability. The Listeria lysine O is a cholesterol dependent cytolysine that form transmembrane beta barrel pores in the phagolysosome membrane, allowing the escape of L monocytogen into the cytosol. Its expression in VPM 1002 result in release of antigen and bacterial DNA into the cytosol, trigger the autophagy, inflammasome, activation and apoptosis. VPM 1002 has demonstrated substantially increased immunogenicity, efficacy and safety in preclinical studies, successfully passed phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trial and will now enter the phase 3rd clinical trial in India in 2017. This review summarizes the development and preclinical and clinical testing of VPM 1002. This is the diagram in which this is the मोनोसाइट जिसमें कि बैक्टीरिया मल्टीप्लाई करता है, ये है फेगोसोम. ओके, BCG इज ड्राइव फ्रॉम दी एम बोविस, माइकोबैक्टीरियम बोविस, जो कि एनिमल स्ट्रेन है जो कि कैटल्स में ट्यूबरक्लोसिस करता है and has immunological properties which is much similar to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, जिसकी जो immunological property है वो सब Mycobacterium tuberculosis से मिलती जुलती है. Bacteria is phagocytized by host macrophages and are efficiently trapped in cellular phagosome. This is the macrophage. When bacteria, this is the bacteria, this is the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. When bacteria enter in human host, the phagocytic cell, which that is the macrophages, they will they will engulf the bacteria. This is the bacteria present in the cell. However, cell fail to digest the bacteria due to multiple virulence mechanism of bacteria. जब बैक्टीरिया सेल में एंटर करता है तो बैक्टीरिया अलाइव रहता है, वो मरता नहीं है, बिकॉज बैक्टीरिया के पास माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस व ऐसे कुछ विरुलेंस फैक्टर है जो कि उसको सर्वाइव करने में हेल्प करते हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज ए यूरिएज विच प्ले रोल इन पीएच न्यूट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ फेगोसोम. इसमें से एक है यूरिएज. यूरिएज क्या करता है, जो बैक्टीरिया फेगोसोम का जो पीएच है उसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर देता है, जिससे कि जो फेगोसाइटिक एक्टिविटी है, जो फेगोसोम का मैच्योरेशन है, वो वहीं पर हॉल्ट हो जाता है, रुक जाता है. सब्सिक्वेंटली एंटीजन आर प्रोसेस्ड बाय MSC सेकेंड पाथवे एंड इंड्यूस CD4 T cell and response, but what is actually required is CD8 T cell response. इससे क्या होता है कि जो एंटीजन प्रोसेस है वो MSC सेकेंड मेजर हिस्टोकम्पैटिबिलिटी सेकेंड पाथवे से होता है, जिसके कारण क्या होता है CD4 सेल आते हैं, जो CD4 T सेल आते हैं. बट हमें किसकी जरूरत है, हमें चाहिए CD8 सेल T सेल का रिस्पॉन्स. ओके, तो अगर हम इन 2000 recombinant BCG strain that secrete listeriolysin of Listeria monocytogen and is urease C deficient, जो कि अब क्या होगा, जो रिकम्बिनेंट बेसिलस BCG वैक्सीन है ये करेगा, ये लिस्टीरियोलाइसिन को रिलीज़ करेगा. ठीक है, जो लिस्टीरियोलाइसिन को रिलीज़ करेगा जो कि यूरियस सी डेफिशिएंट, मतलब इसमें यूरियस सी नहीं है. ओके, इसमें यूरियस सी का जो जीन है वो इनएक्टिवेटेड है. ओके, so the idea being that the urease deficient mycobacterium secreting listeriolysin allow better phagosome maturation and potentially activating MSC1 pathway rather than the MSC second pathway, thus electing a desired CD8 response vaccine developed from this strain is called VPM 1002. इससे जो अगर हम रिकम्बिनेंट BCG वैक्सीन यूज़ करेंगे, जिसके कारण क्या होगा, जो माइकोबैक्टीरियम है वो क्या रिलीज़ करेगा, लिस्टीरियोलाइसिन और रिलीज़ करेगा, जो कि एक किसका प्रोटीन है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल प्रोटीन है, किसका, लिस्टीरियम मोनोसाइटोजन का, जो कि यूरियस सी में भी डेफिशिएंट है. तो जब ये यूरियस सी डेफिशिएंट है तो ये क्या करेगा, CD4 टी सेल रिस्पॉन्स के बदले CD8 टी सेल रिस्पॉन्स एक्टिवेट करेगा, जो कि बैक्टीरिया को किल करने में हेल्प करेगा। आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? जिसके कारण बैक्टीरिया की डेथ हो जाएगी। बैक्टीरिया की डेथ कैसे होएगी? बिकॉज जब CD8 सेल टी सेल रिस्पॉन्स एक्टिवेट होगा, इससे क्या होगा? इन्फ्लामेशन होगा, एपोप्टोसिस होगा, ऑटोफेगी प्रोसेस एक्टिवेट हो जाएगी, जिसके कारण क्या हो जाएगी? सेल की डेथ होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी और ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, जो माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस है, उसका नंबर भी बॉडी में डिक्रीज होता चला जाएगा। सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई YouTube channel and do like, share my videos, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.